This is just like a dream kitchen.
액션.
Here we are at an exquisite
액션.
in the I don't know what I'm saying. Hold on. Let's do that over again. Hello, and here we are at a beautiful, exquisitely designed $1.4 million house in Eugene, Oregon. It's nestled away into a nice little neighborhood with lots of other beautiful houses, higher end, very large. There aren't many houses as you saw in this area, so you have a lot of privacy. There's a little forested area, and there's also a park right across the street. So I will show you inside, and you will be amazed.
액션.
As soon as you walk in, you'll notice that the entryway has a very, very high ceiling, and everything is so beautifully crafted. It's very open and spacious, and the first thing that I noticed when I walked in was this lovely pillar archway right here that leads into the living room. This is a formal living room. It has built-in bookshelves, and as you can see, they decorated them so perfectly. It has a large fireplace with a mirror, these couches that I think work very well in this home. This is just a very nice place to be able to entertain guests. As you can see, they have a piano as well, so that would be an idea of what you could put in this space. We have doors out to the backyard, which I will show you in a moment. It's absolutely stunning. As you walk through this door, there's a little dining room area. This looks like the perfect place to have some morning coffee. There's another little living room area right here. That's kind of like a more relaxed area. You could have more intimate guests over in this area. And it has a nice open window to the kitchen. This kitchen, first of all, everything in here is very expensive. These countertops are custom, very expensive countertops. There are multiple sinks that you can use, and it's huge. All of the cabinets are new, and the doors are new, and this is just like a dream kitchen. If you did want to replace the countertops though, that would be up to you, but I think they work very well in this house. It looks like custom. There's also a double fridge. It blends into the rest of the cabinets, and a butler kitchen. Okay, the butler kitchen. This is the most unique feature. Well, one of the most unique features. I'll show you a lot of other cool features in this home, but this has its own fridge. There's a pantry where you can see all of their canned goods that they've canned themselves, which I just absolutely love. And if you have guests over and want to hire a little cooking crew, this can be the place where they have things that they're serving and just a really nice little intimate area because it has closed doors on both sides, so you wouldn't be able to see anything. As we come out of this, there is the formal dining room, a lovely chandelier and a view of the front yard, the molding, high quality, and there's also a fireplace in here as well. So this is the coolest place to entertain guests. So, I think this is probably my other favorite feature of the house. This little guest bathroom is so cute. Look at this sink, that's just so unique, and it matches the toilet. But not only do we have that, there is a nice little sitting area in case you get tired and need a break from people. This laundry room has not been updated as much as the rest of the house, but it has enough space for anything that you would need. It's a good utility laundry room, and it's connected to the garage. And this section of the garage is a 3-car garage with lots of storage, but then on the other side of that door, there's another car garage, which I think the previous owners kept a boat in there. So it was a really nice space to be able to have for lots of equipment and everything that you would need. Here we are in the master bedroom. It's very large, as you can see. The ceilings are high, and it has a fireplace, which I will show you something really cool when we go into the bathroom. But remember that this fireplace is here. There are doors that lead out to the little back garden area, which I think is so cool. You can have a little chair out out here, have your morning coffee there, and then there's another little room right here, and this is like a little study room, and it enters into this closet area. There's lots of storage. As you can see, these closets on both sides. There's also closets lining this wall. Oh, this bathroom is so pretty. Look at this tub. It's gorgeous. Remember that fireplace I told you about earlier? If you look, there it is on this side too. So you can enjoy it in the bedroom and in the bathroom. There's a lovely vanity area with double sinks, a toilet and a closed off door area. The shower too has two heads, lots of space, even a little space to sit, and there's a walk-in closet on top of the other closets that we saw. So this is another little office area. This is kind of more like a man cave area for what they had, but this overlooks the front yard again, and there's lots of space for TV, watching golf, watching games, the books there. It's a nice little office area. Okay, here we are going up to the second floor, and I love this. The carpet is cleaned very, very well, or that it's been replaced recently. I love this area right here because it overlooks the entryway, makes everything very open, and there's a really cool pool room. Look at that. It looks like a classy little bar area. And the ceiling is unique. Has a nice vaulted skylight as well, which brings in natural light. And there's a little guest bathroom here. And look at that vanity. So beautiful. All right, so this is the little catwalk that I showed you a second ago to the rest of the bedroom. Bedroom number one. This one's so lovely. It's gorgeous. It has that huge vaulted ceiling. It has lots of space. It has a giant closet. And it's also connected to sink, little bathroom. There's a shower. And look at that tiling. That's so cool. And a closed off toilet. And then bedroom number two is over here. And it looks like this was actually just an extra little room that they might have used for storage, or a music room with the piano and the instruments. But you can use this as a bedroom because there's a closet. And then we also have another bedroom attached to it. And this one has a nice view of the backyard as well. In between those two bedrooms, there's a little restroom. Has a skylight to bring in natural light. There's a tub and shower, and then the vanity area. Simple, but okay. And then there's a landing. If you follow me up this way, there's a little bonus room, and it's used as a sewing room. There's a little balcony. Not little. It's not a little balcony. It's a balcony. Chairs and a fireplace. And this overlooks the backyard. There's a spiral staircase going down, which is a nice feature. Super cool. I will show you the back garden right now. Here we are in the backyard. Look at our lovely little friend enjoying this pond. There's two dragonflies mating. Nature. There is this lovely pond, and it has some natural lilies growing in it. And you're especially going to catch dragonflies, so there's going to be some nature as well. This back garden area is very expansive. You have the patio, and you have this well-kept grass area. Ranges, rhododendrons. I feel like this is a very low maintenance backyard in the sense of the plants being more easy to take care of. They do need pruning, but they're not going to be like things that you're going to be worrying about killing all the time and having to replace. So there are chairs and a fireplace, and then a table here, and that can give you kind of an idea of what you could put on the patio. There is also room for a hot tub, which I always love to suggest when I can. But I will show you this little second house. So this is a nice little storage shed, but if you wanted to put the time into it, you could create maybe a little tiny home or an apartment, just to give another idea of what to do with this. So that is the full tour of the house. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and like this video, share it with your friends, and we will see you next time. 구독, 좋아요 해주세요.
그